I did not like the sound of this. Oh, McDonald's down here. I mean, I can just get to. Yeah, I can do that. Let's get you stupid drink, hey, stupid. Oh, it's so damn cold. So damn cold. Oh. I need a better key ring. I need to look into that too. I'll get some stuff for myself too. Yeah.
On their war with Putin, okay? So this has been in the works for a long time.
Again, that's after Crimea, and there was
2 years after Crimea.
True,
yeah.
But I mean, it wasn't like the only thing I would throw in here is it's not like if we lived up to all of our promises, Vladimir Putin would have been the nicest guy in the world.
No,
I don't buy
He's
that.
a bad guy.
And he would have found some justification to do what he wanted to do anyway.
But there is a bloodlust in Washington. They want blood. They want a war for some reason. I think I could speculate that on that. But there are people that are just hungry and thirsty for a war there. Meanwhile, Putin has brought in even closer now, the story today, Iran.
Yeah.
Well, how do you think that's going to work out?
Like
And
12,
this is going to be very important because if you try to ask the people who created the problem to fix it, they can't fix it. They created the problem. Stop going to the people who create the problems and saying, well, maybe the Fed can fix it. Well, I mean, what does the Fed say about inflation? What the hell does it matter? They're the ones that created this. Why would we ask for their help or their assistance in anything? Same thing with war. It's not the Republicans because only 11% want more money to go. The Republicans are at least representing the will of the people, which is what they're supposed to do. The key here is they all knew the public was turning sour on this. They should have been stepping on Zelensky's neck months ago, saying, you're going to lose the American people. Negotiate now or you'll have no cards. It's not the Republicans' fault. It's certainly not your fault. Back in just a minute. Okay, there's a gold rush going on right now. Experts they're not just optimistic, they are becoming scarily bullish, predicting that gold might soar past $2,500. That's only about $400 away from where it is now. That's not a big deal. I've told you for 20 years, gold gets up between 25 and 35,000 or 3,500 an ounce. The world is completely on fire. We're almost there. Now, there's an unbeatable opportunity. If you purchase a box of 250 of the new Lincoln quarter-ounce gold coins, you're going to receive a 1-ounce gold legal tender bar card at no additional cost. That's over $2,500 in value. You're going to get 2 of the most famous designs with Goldline. This is not just an investment, it's embracing a legacy. The Lincoln coin that we just finished, I was so honored to be able to design this, is in commemoration of the Covenant of America that Washington made, or Pilgrims made, and finally George Washington remade at Gettysburg. Don't witness history, own a part of it, and keep your financial house in order. 866 Goldline. 866 Goldline or goldline.com.
Join the conversation. 888-727-BECK. The Glenn Beck Program. KSTE.
Looking for top-notch personal protection? The Smith & Wesson Equalizer is here to level the playing field. Easy to rack slide, easy to control ergonomic grip. It's designed for you. With a 10, 13, and 15-round magazine included, size up for better control or size down for easier concealment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your safety. Visit your local dealer now. To learn more about the Equalizer, visit smith-wesson.com. Smith & Wesson, empowering Americans. All capacity sizes may not be available in your jurisdiction. Be sure to check your local laws and regulations.
Did you know you can get your prescriptions for less at your local pharmacy? You can with GoodRx. It's the free app that can save you money on your medications. Just search search for your prescription, choose the pharmacy and the price that works best for you, and then show your GoodRx coupon to your pharmacist at the drop-off counter. GoodRx works at over 70,000 pharmacies, including Walmart, Rite Aid, and Walgreens, and it works whether you have insurance or not. It's easy to save. Next time you drop off your prescription, check GoodRx. To start saving today, go to GoodRx.com. GoodRx is not insurance.
Hi there, it's Patrick. You know, you've heard me talking about Roseville Numismatics for years now. Check out what they're doing to spread the holiday spirit and to thank their customers for the continued support through the years. Roseville Numismatics is giving away a 1-ounce American Gold Eagle coin. It's worth $2,000. I'm going to draw the winner live on my show December 20th between 7 and 10 p.m. So enter online right now, kpk.com/contests. That's kpk.com/contests. Good luck and happy holidays from John Shook and the team at Roseville Numismatics and Coin Shop.
We're with little Holly McJolly. She and her husband have been elves in Santa's workshop for
30 years now.
goodness, and you can make anything.
Almost anything. We don't do flooring.
No?
No, we leave that to S&G Carpet, especially since they're having their big Christmas sale this month.
A big Christmas sale.
Right now, you can save up to 40% off select flooring.
So why make it if you can just go into any S&G showroom or have their mobile showroom come to you, just like Santa, and save up to 40%?
Yep, we do toys and small appliances, but leave carpeting and hardwood and laminate to S&G.
Understandable.
Look, here's Rudolph. We're getting him a new waterproof core during S&G's Christmas sale. You know, easy cleanup.
I can only imagine.
Get your home ready for 2024 and save up to 40% off select new flooring during S&G Carpet's big Christmas sale. Plus, as always, get their no surprise price guarantee and promise to beat any written estimate by 10%. S&G more than carpet. Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Sick of paying $100 for groceries and getting nothing but eggs, orange juice, and a paper bag? Then download the Drop app. Drop lets you earn points with your everyday shopping and redeem them for gift cards. Want a free dinner with those groceries? Drop it. How about daily lattes? Drop it. So download Drop today and get $5 just for signing up. Use invite code GetDrop777. That's invite code GetDrop777.
The holidays are the happiest time of the year. That is, unless you or your loved ones are miserable because of colds, sinus infections, or allergies. This holiday season, get the gift of better breathing with Navage. What makes Navage so effective? Well, unlike cold and allergy drugs that might take a long time to help, if they're effective at all, Navage provides fast relief from sinus congestion in 30 seconds flat. Navage doesn't just relieve symptoms, it attacks the cause by sucking out the germs, allergens, and viruses trapped in your nose that are making you feel miserable. Best of all, Navage does it naturally, without drugs. Wash away your cold and congestion problems this holiday season. Add Navage to your gift list so you can breathe easier, sleep better, and feel healthier all year long. Ask for Navage at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Target, or find us online at Navage.com. Navage, N-A-V-A-G-E. Clean nose, healthy life.
Portions of the following program were pre-recorded.
We're talking about it right now. Talk 650. Sacramento's Talk continues.
You know, let's look at this logically. If you actually think that Putin is a threat, which I do, that Putin is a bad guy, which I do, and the idea is if you stop funding now, we're all going to be at war because Putin will be emboldened. If you think Putin is bad now, what happens when the United States loses its world reserve currency? When the United States has 145% inflation like they do in Argentina, what happens? Is Putin empowered? Is China empowered? We're not the country of the 1980s.